dogs were barking at. This little baby right here, dogs were trying to kill him. Luckily I found him. He's okay. He does want to get away though. It's okay, Allie. It's just a little piglet. Little armadillo. No. It's just a little piglet. Yeah. Okay. Well, we're gonna let him go before the dogs try and kill him. They never would. His armor's too good. But we're gonna save him, get him away from the dogs. He can go back to eating bugs for the night. This is Mr. Jerry, the armadillo, saying good night. Thank you for saving me. Oh yeah, he's definitely trying to get away. All right, we're gonna let you go.